This week, I'm shopping my own closet to make new outfits out of clothes that I already have. So I'm going to be taking what I already own and making a new work outfit out of clothes that I already own in my closet. So today is Monday. Let's get started with the first look. So like I mentioned, today is Monday and I'm normally working from home on Mondays, but today I have to be in the office. So if I can't be in my pajamas, I want to be in the next best thing, right? So for me, that was leggings. So I pulled out a pair of leggings that I already own. These have a little bit of a sheen to them. I think it's kind of to mimic like faux leather, but it's not over the top. It's still very subtle. And then I pulled on this popover like polo from Frank and Eileen. This is also in black. And then I wanted to create a little bit of interest with the outfit so it just wasn't black on black. And so I pulled out this blue and white striped button up that I believe this is from Bowden. And I just left the tail hanging out in the front and the back. I popped the collar, pulled out the collars on the sleeves. And I wanted to, since I'm kind of in this casual look, I just wanted to keep it a little bit polished and also have a little bit of cool factor in there and just a pop of fun. So I have two schools of thought on this look where you leave the tail hanging out. I gravitated away from that look for a long time just based on proportions and being aware of kind of how, it might cut me in half, but I'm actually kind of gravitating back towards it because I think it just looks cool. It looks a little preppy. I like the way it looks, and you can really add some interest to your outfit by pulling out a striped shirt or something, colorful and playful. It just really adds some interest to it. And then my second school of thought is I'm not trying to make a fashion statement at work. I'm really just trying to be comfortable, but still look put together and a little bit preppy and a little bit cool. So this was the thought behind this outfit. And then I paired it with just a simple pair of loafers. These are from Sam Edelman. I've had these, I think I purchased these last year, and they are the ones that have the chunky heel on them. And I still really like these. These give me a little bit of height, but still being very comfortable. I was not trying to put on heels today, and so I think this actually came together really nice. It looks kind of preppy and cool and definitely very comfortable. I added really simple jewelry, just simple little golden hoops. I've got this little bar necklace on. I have my favorite little snake ring there. I just love this ring. And just my Apple Watch. So really simple jewelry. I've got my hair pulled back, and then I'll just grab a bag that I already own. And this is what we've got for Monday. So join me tomorrow. I'll be coming back, making more outfits. Okay, so it's day 2 of Shop My Closet. I am working from home today. I actually was supposed to be in the office all week, but as per usual, I forgot I had a million appointments. I completely overbooked myself today. So I've got a couple of appointments, and my son also has a dentist appointment. So I'm going to be out and about. I wanted to be comfortable yet put together. And so what I came up with today is I have this cute little, it's super soft, little pullover on, a quilted pullover. It has a little bit of structure, but it's kind of a boxy fit. But I wanted to add some interest to it, some layers. So I popped on this little pink button up underneath it, popped the collar and left that out, along with the cuffs here. I really love a preppy casual look. I think that's pretty much my style, at my heart. And let me show you what the whole outfit looks like. So I have on these little cargo jogger pants in this cute tan color, which I really love. It goes with everything. And then I wanted to be comfortable in my footwear as well. So I just put on these little loafers that I have from Sam Edelman. I've had these as well since last year. The ones I had on yesterday, I bought these at the same time. I just wanted the option to have kind of a neutral color pair of loafers, but I think it came together pretty well. So it accomplishes everything. I don't look like a complete slob but in sweatpants, but I'm still very comfortable, pulled together. And then my jewelry is this cute little chain necklace. This is a go-to necklace for me I have on some bigger gold hoop earrings than I had on yesterday. I have on this gold watch. It's from Anne Klein. I've had it forever. Little ring from Uncommon James, I think. And I paired it with this bag. This bag is from Mui Mui. It's secondhand, but I love it, and I think it goes really well with the outfit. So tomorrow I will be back in the office, and I'll be shopping my closet again for day 3. So we're just going to keep going through the whole week and we'll see what we come up with. So I will see you tomorrow. Welcome to day 3 of shopping my closet. I'm heading to the office today, and I'm realizing, you guys, as I'm doing this video this week, is that I have a lot of clothes that I've never worn. A lot of clothes that I purchased because I loved them, and they just sit in my closet because I move on to the next thing. So I really want to do more of these videos. I would love to know what you guys think about continuing the theme of shop what you already have. And I love clothes, and that's why I do these videos, but it's not about making money. I have made 0 on my channel. I've only been sponsored one time, and that was earlier this year from a shoe company. I've had 2 brands send me clothes just as a gift, and I did show those, but it's not about money. It's honestly about community and sharing ideas with you guys and getting your feedback and just the community. And so that's what I love about this channel. I mean, I love the clothes. Don't get me wrong, it doesn't mean I'm never going to buy anything again, but I would like to continue down this path of let's use what we have. But I have to give a big shout out to those that I see in my comments every week, and I just love it, regardless if it's good, bad, or indifferent. Lori McCoy, Linda James, Alex Louise West, Barbara Jean from Age is Just a Number, Caroline from Caroline in Her Clothes, and those are 2 channels you guys should check out if you haven't already. They're fabulous Petite channels. But anyway, I love talking to you guys. Please comment down below if this is something you would like to continue seeing. Shop my closet. Please hit that like and subscribe. Like I said, it really helps to support my channel. And let's move into today's outfit. So like I said, I am going into the office today. So I have this hooded sweater on. I don't know if you guys can see the detailing on it, but it's super soft and cozy. And I really like this edgy look with the moto jacket, but having the hoodie stick out in the back. I love it. And then so I just paired it with some slim leg pants. I'm loving the contrast of the classic loafer. I'm loving my loafers this week. It's just a comfortable option to put on, but I love the classic of the loafer mixed with the moto jacket. Just gives it a little bit of edge, kind of cool, maybe not so much preppy, but love this look. My jewelry is super simple today. I did not put on a necklace just because I have this kind of hooded up here. It doesn't really need a necklace. Super simple gold hoops. If you didn't notice, gold is always my go-to. I love gold. And I don't so much care about mixing metals. Like, it doesn't bother me that this has like a nickel finish to it and then I'm wearing gold. It's fine. I don't care about that. Oh, and also my purse. I like mixing metals. I just don't think it matters. I have on my Apple Watch, and I have this purse here that I've already had. I'm going to pair this with it. So this is the look for today. What do you guys think? I'm kind of liking it. I haven't put an outfit together like this, I don't know, maybe ever, but I'm really loving it. All right, so that's Wednesday. This is Wednesday's work office outfit, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Here we are, Thursday, day 4 of Shop My Closet for my work outfits for the day. And today's outfit was inspired by Style with Serena. She featured a very similar outfit on her channel recently. Another fantastic channel to check out if you guys haven't already. You probably already have, so shout out Serena. This was inspired by you. So I have on a white button-up and this gray v-neck sweater. Both of these I've had in my closet for some time. So on the bottom, I have on these leather trousers. They're ankle length, and I paired them with red flats. To be fair, in all honesty, These flats are new. I've had them for a couple of weeks or maybe a month or so now. Red is not a color that I usually style, but when I saw this on Serena, I knew I had to try it. So this is the work outfit for Thursday. And I have on super simple jewelry again. You see this little chain necklace, little earrings. I'm gonna probably add a watch. Didn't do that. And I'm using the same purse that I had yesterday. This is today's work outfit. Shop my closet, day 4. So we'll be back tomorrow. We'll see what Friday brings. I have a feeling it's gonna be a little more casual. See you then. Okay, so today is day 5 of Shop My Closet. And I wanted to mention really quickly that I will try to provide as many links to any of these pieces if you're interested. If it's not available, I'll try to find something that's comparable or similar. And don't forget to reach out in the comments. Let me know if you like this style of shopping what you have, shopping your own closet. And so what I have today, this is a blazer. It has the zip-in hoodie, zip-in dickie, I think some people call them. I think it's a little play on the Balmain jackets that are much, much more expensive than this one was. This was a fraction of the price. But I do love to pair it with jeans. It's in this navy color. I'm not sure if it's showing up really well on camera, but it is navy. It has the gray hoodie underneath and it does zip out. I have just a white t-shirt from Uniqlo underneath here. There I have my favorite t-shirts ever. Then I just paired jeans. I have on a pair of Dolce Vita Chelsea boots. And I've heard recently on a couple of channels that Chelsea boots look dated. I don't know about that. I don't necessarily agree. And here's the thing, I don't care if they are dated. I love them because for one, they give me height, and 2, they give me stability because they have this black heel on them. So I get a couple of inches of height. It makes my legs look longer. But like I said, it gives me more stability than a regular heel. So I love them. I'm gonna keep wearing them. For jewelry, I have on this little initial chain necklace. I have on this watch. It's by Anne Klein. I mentioned it earlier in the video. I've had it forever. Hoop earrings and just keeping it simple and comfortable today. By the way, this jacket is so comfortable. It has a ton of stretch in it, so you don't feel like you're constricted at all throughout the day. And I love this hoodie look with the jacket. I'm really into that right now. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please reach out in the comments. Let me know what you thought about this style of a video, what else you might like to see. And please hit that like and subscribe. And I thank you so much for doing that and also taking time to watch this video. I hope to see you soon.